Demanding a better discount. Now that most of Lee County gets to keep its flood insurance discount after a fight with FEMA, some people are wondering why their discount is smaller than others. Thank you for joining us. I'm Amanda Hall in for Lois Tomey.
I'm Chris Safati. Here are the numbers. Unincorporated Lee, Bonita Springs, Sanibel, Cape Coral, and Fort Myers Beach are all at a 25% discount. Estero, right in the middle there, at 20%. But Fort Myers in the city is only a 5% discount. We continue to ask why the rate of discount is less in Fort Myers. Mike News reporter Amy Gallo has more from the city and speaks to homeowners on why they're feeling left out.
They tell me they want the city to do something and fast. For one homeowner I spoke to, it could mean his current flood insurance rates would go down a lot. For another homeowner, it could mean a chance to go back to FEMA as a cheaper option. Why? That's the question on everyone's mind when it comes to FEMA flood insurance in Fort Myers.
I don't feel like we're any worse off than a lot of these other coastal communities, so it is concerning why the percentage is so different.
While all of these Lee County municipalities have a 20 or 25% discount, Fort Myers only has 5%.
We are the ones that got hit tremendously. We, as a matter of fact, I think that we should be getting a much bigger discount.
With the Caloosahatchee River running through a great portion of Fort Myers, flooding is common.
The storms we had a month and a half ago or whatever, just driving around town and seeing how long the water stayed and seeing some houses that looked like they may have been impacted.
So insurance is necessary and required in many areas.
We went from not even having to have it for our mortgage to being in a special hazard zone.
And it's expensive too.
Flood insurance, unfortunately, is very, very expensive for us because we're in the 1010 zone, flood zone that is.
We went private because the FEMA was more expensive.
And as the city of Fort Myers works hard for a higher discount,
we are hoping to jump to a class 7, possibly a class 6, where we can give our citizens a 15 to 20% discount.
Homeowners are happy, but hoping it doesn't take too long.
Unfortunately, we're a little behind the 8 ball because during that time, while they are trying to get the discount, we still have to pay the full insurance.
The city is currently in the middle of a FEMA audit, and by the end of this year, they should know whether their flood insurance discount rate will go up from 5%. And the city tells me they're expecting good news. In Fort Myers, Amy Gallo, Wink News.